Have you ever wondered if animals have a sixth sense? What if they can predict disasters long before we can? Earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions. It might sound like science fiction, but history is filled with stories of animals acting strangely just before nature unleashes its power. From our own pets to wild creatures, their senses are tuned into signals that we humans completely miss. So, let's explore 5 incredible examples of animals that seem to have a built-in disaster alarm. First up, man's best friend! There are countless reports of dogs barking uncontrollably, whining, or desperately trying to escape their homes hours before an earthquake strikes. Scientists think it's because dogs can feel the tiny initial ground vibrations, the P waves, that arrive before the major shaking. They might even be sensitive to changes in the Earth's electromagnetic field. Some owners have even reported their dogs refusing to go inside buildings right before a major quake, as if they knew it was about to become a death trap. Next, let's look to the skies. Birds have been seen abandoning entire regions just before devastating earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. How? It's believed their highly sensitive inner ears can detect low-frequency sounds known as These deep rumbles are generated by seismic activity far below the Earth's surface. To us, it's complete silence, but to a bird, it's a blaring warning siren telling them to get out of there, and fast. Now, for the gentle giants of the land, elephants. Before the catastrophic 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, witnesses saw herds of elephants stampeding for higher ground away from the coast. They did this minutes before the massive waves crashed ashore, saving themselves while many humans were caught completely unaware. Elephants have an amazing ability to sense seismic vibrations through the sensitive soles of their feet, essentially listening to the ground for distant tremors. Even underwater, life seems to know when trouble is brewing. Fish have been observed behaving erratically just before underwater earthquakes and tsunamis. Their secret weapon is the lateral line system, a series of sensory organs running along their sides. This system is incredibly sensitive to changes in water pressure and vibrations, giving them a heads up about approaching shockwaves that we simply don't have. Finally, let's look at one of the smallest creatures on our list, ants. These tiny engineers have a knack for survival. Before a major flood, entire ant colonies can sense the coming danger by detecting subtle changes in air pressure and humidity. Some species perform an incredible feat. They link their bodies together to form a living floating raft, riding out the floodwaters to safety. It's a stunning example of teamwork and natural instinct. So, from dogs and birds to elephants and ants, the animal kingdom is full of early warning systems. It makes you wonder what other secrets they're hiding. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.